All the delicious flavours of Christmas in one biscuit. Christmas spice biscuits using Stork and Novi. In a pan, golden syrup, brown sugar and Stork, let's melt. Add in the bicarbonate of soda, spices, orange zest and mix. We're going to add in half the flour, 1 beaten egg, give it a good mix, then mix in the second half of the flour. Soft dough, wrap in cling film, chill for 1 hour. Dough's chilled, we're going to roll it out between 2 sheets of greaseproof paper, use Christmas cutters to cut out, place on a baking tray. In the oven about 10-12 minutes, let's melt the Novi chocolate. Now for the fun part, the decorating, I've got my helper. So Santiago, let's put it in the chocolates and put it on the table. Thank you.
Welcome.
Christmas spice biscuits. What do you think, Santiago? Merry Christmas!